Guys, it's Chad from Overland Addict here, and we're at camp tonight, and we are doing a video series about making cocktails at camp. And tonight we're going to make a gimlet, right, Chris?
Yep, we are. Yep, this is one of the drinks that you didn't know was so easy to make, but we're going to show you how to do it. The whole thing about camping is everything should be easy,
That's right.
We know what's always the drink of choice when you're camping, the cold beer, which is always nice. But man, I'll tell you what, when you can actually just put a little bit of effort into it and get a good cocktail,
Step it up a bit.
it steps it up a bit.
Let's do it.
So you know what? We've got a special guest tonight.
Do we? Who we got here?
We do. It's a guy that's near and dear to my heart. It's a Georgia fella, and I don't know if he's going to enjoy this or not, but I think he should give it a shot.
Bringing him up anyway.
Yep. Without further ado, Lee, would you mind joining us for this?
Lee from Overland Radio.
This gimlet. So if you guys don't know Lee, he's from Overland Radio, and it's a website and podcast and live video series that we both are very affiliated with.
Yeah.
And we're happy to have you on board. So
Thanks,
welcome,
man.
buddy.
I appreciate it.
All right, Lee, so we're going to be making the gimlet tonight, but before we do that, tell us a little bit about Overland Radio.
We do live shows, but it's broadcasted 24/7 around the globe.
Nice.
You can catch us at overlandradio.com, and Instagram, Facebook's all the same.
And you guys have a couple shows on that?
Yeah, we do.
station,
We do
right?
a couple of shows each week. They're live, so they're audio broadcast, and then they're simulcast on the Facebook and YouTube. at the
Awesome,
same
man.
time.
Awesome.
Yep. We have
Cool,
a good
man.
time. We bring folks like yourself and some others, and just have a good time. Drink a little whiskey and talk overlanding and outdoors.
That sounds good to me. All right, so let's get into the gimlet then.
All right.
What we need to do here?
I believe we're going to start. Okay, this is not my thing, but I think we're going to start with about 4 ounces of this.
You got it.
And this is Bombay Sapphire East imported gin.
The good stuff.
This must be the good stuff.
The ounce is the big one. You got it right
Hell
there.
is that? Okay, this is the ounce.
That's the ounce, yep.
So we need 4, right?
We got 4, yep.
So
4 coming.
there's 1, 2, 3, 4.
That looks good to me.
It's about 4. What do you say?
I
4?
said that looks good, yeah.
All right, 4 it is. So now we got to have
Ounce and a half of that.
ounce and a half of this, and this
Yep.
is simple syrup.
Yep.
And that looks
That looks good to me.
good to me.
I like the eyeballing.
I don't care what anybody else says. And then we need
Squeeze it all in.
about
there.
half an ounce
Yep.
of this or whatever. All
You
right.
got it, man.
Now we got to put this
Put
thing
the
on top, right?
You got to shake her up.
See, this isn't my thing.
You got it, man.
All right, how are we going to shake it?
Do the dance you want to do, man.
Wait, how's Holloway do it?
That's the Holloway right there.
All right, that's good. That's good. That's good.
All right.
Damn,
so let's
that's
take the top
cold.
off. Give it a couple strains.
Couple what?
Strain it
Oh.
in the drink.
Man, this is not my thing here. How much should I put in there?
The whole thing, bro. We're gonna have a big drink tonight.
Ooh, I'm gonna be laying in the fetal position in a little bit.
Let's add a couple cucumber wedges here.
Lay them on me.
Look at that.
Damn. All
Let's
right, now
try
what do we
these.
call this again?
Gimlet.
Gimlet.
Let's see how it tastes. How'd you do? Taste test.
Cheers. God, Jesus.
That's pretty good, man.
That's good, man, but it's strong. That's good.
It's a strong drink,
And
guys.
simple.
Cheers.
Whew, that's good.
All right, guys, if you want to have this drink and many more, come out to the MOORE Expo in April. Go to the Overland Addict Recovery Room. We're going to have a lounge where we're going to be serving some drinks, some live music. You can take a load off during the day after you've been out to the MOORE Expo and seen all the vendors. Come out and see us.
It'll be worth it.
It will.
I gotta go pee.